Hi, I'm Chef Twizz. Today we are going to make pudding shots. The ingredients you will need are whole milk or substitute the milk of your choice, instant pudding, vodka of your choice, any type of whipped topping, fresh raspberries, and plastic shot glasses. We use 3/4 of a cup of milk. Add a 3.4 ounce package of instant pudding mix. Add your milk. Mix thoroughly until completely dissolved.
So I'm going to add the alcohol now to our pudding mixture.
Add 3/4 of a cup of vodka to your mixture and stir. Next, add 8-ounce container of Cool Whip and fold in. You want to mix thoroughly. Make sure you get the lumps out. You want a smooth consistency. Fill 1-ounce shot cups just below the rim. Next, you can add any type of fresh fruit. We decided to use fresh raspberries to go with the flavored vodka. Place them in the refrigerator for an hour or two until they are firm. Then we remove them. Now the fun part. Grab a friend and enjoy.
If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.